Good morning, everybody. This is a Fix It family. We have another project coming your way. Today we're going to show you really fast how to fix a fence the cheapest way and the strongest way possible. Stick around. Okay, so our fence is falling down due to the heavy winds the last couple of weeks. So we have identified two posts that have broken in the bottom here, mostly out of rot. We gotta replace them, as well as the lumber around it. But I'm gonna show you a way to do it the right way and save yourself some money, real cheap. So first, you start by clearing up the ground to make sure you have enough space around here to remove the bad lumber. You can see we have all this area here that we have to either relocate or make some space. And we have some cables, some valves, and up to there. So we have cleared the gravel, and now we need to start taking some of the panels out. So we start by removing some of the panels, and these are the tools we're going to use. Just a good pair of gloves, a good clamp, and a good hammer. Don't forget you wear your goggles as well. And the reason you use the claw here, it's because you want to take out the nails without breaking the wood, so we can save some of the wood and reuse it. We started removing some of the panels, and yeah, like you suspected, these framings are pretty much rotten and will have to be replaced. The panels are not so bad actually, since I painted them, I stained them, so they're not too bad. They're coming off pretty good. So we might be able to save those and reuse them. Yeah, we're gonna just keep on going at it until we remove this whole panel. This is how we remove the panels with the claw. Make sure you grab the nail, push back. Get the whole thing out. Do the same thing on the bottom. And boom, it's out. Minimum damage depending on the condition of your board. You'll be able to reuse it. Take the nails out. 1, 2. Nails on the other side. Real easy. Do the same thing on the bottom. And push it back a little bit. Grab with the claw. On. Go. Do it all over again. Okay, so one panel is removed. Let's take a closer look at the wood at the bottom. You can see very bad shape to the point where it needs to be replaced. See all these from one side to the other. We have a post that is broken down there, and the other one broken down here at the bottom. Look at it from the other side. Look at it from this other side. See, it's pretty wobbly, the whole thing. So this whole thing needs to be replaced. Both of these pieces. Okay, so we're back after some rain delay. We finally were able to remove the old posts and make the new holes for our new posts. There's one.
This one has a lot of water.
A little bit of water, and that's okay. We'll need water for the.
It'll be easier to slip it in.
We're gonna set the posts today, and then let them dry till tomorrow, and then we'll set the boards back up. All right. Okay, so we got the posts in place. We've aligned them, both of them here with the concrete. Concrete here, we're gonna let them sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning we'll start putting the boards in the frame around. We are done with the framing. You can see we got a frame on top, a frame on the bottom with 2x8x8 on the bottom, followed by a 2x4x8, all pressure treated at each corner. We reused some of the old wood, which is still good. And this is what we got. It's looking pretty good, I gotta say. Here. And here. It's looking pretty good. We're reusing the old panels. You gotta be a little bit careful. But here we are. As you can see, nice and dry, but also cracked a bit. This is one of the best boards. Nonetheless, they're still good. So in order to keep them from cracking even more, we're going to use a combination of a drill bit to start the hole so that we don't crack the wood. Then we'll follow up with the screw. And it's going to take double the time, but it's going to come out really nice. Okay, so we got a couple of panels here already done. As you can see, this is the last of it. I have a panel left. Hey, buddy. Hi. So we're almost done, which brings me to lunchtime. What's the surprise you got for me or for us? Oh my gosh. Oh, ha. It's almost lunchtime, guys. So I better hurry up, finish up this job, and get some hamburgers by Chef Alex. Yeah? All right, buddy. Well, the hamburgers are almost ready. And, but most important, our fence is ready. There we go. That's what it looks from my side. I'm gonna go over to the neighbor's side and take a look as well. Alright, so this is how it looks from the neighbor's side. Like I say, it looks pretty darn good. And that's how you repair your fence best way possible. So I'd like to finish our video with this so yummy hamburger, so yummy lunch cooked by my son Alex. And yes, that's how you that's how you fix your fence under $200 and do a good job at it. See you in the next one.
Bye.
If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
The next one. Yummy. It's time to eat, bud.